The difference between hardware and software. When we talk about computers and digital devices, two main components always come up: hardware and software. Although they work closely together, they are very different in nature. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer or electronic system. These are the components you can touch and see, such as the keyboard, mouse, monitor, hard drive, or the central processing unit, CPU. In simple terms, hardware is like the body of a computer. It provides the structure and the tools that make digital tasks possible. Software, on the other hand, is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. You cannot physically touch software because it is made of code and data. Examples include operating systems like Windows or MacOS, applications like Word, or games that run on your computer. Software is like the brain or the knowledge of the system. It guides the hardware. The relationship between the two is very important. Hardware without software is just an empty machine with no function. Similarly, software without hardware cannot run on its own. Together, they form a complete computer system. For example, when you press a key on your keyboard, hardware, the signal is processed by the computer and interpreted by the operating system, software, which then displays the character on your screen. In conclusion, hardware is the tangible machinery, while software is the invisible set of programs that bring the machine to life. Understanding the difference helps us see why technology works.